saving for and 17 Pro Max. Every day, let's pick on a random card in this box and let's see some of my cards again. 3 cards. Let's pick the 3 cards and let's go to traveling. And on the traveling, let's pick a 3 card. I'm gonna pick this 2. Didn't see that is this 2 or 1. And I see it's 3. Let's put it back in this box. Let's see if what is this card. Oh, I pick up 2444, and this is 15 pesos. Let's put it back. I'll put it here. Here, guys. I'll put the coins in here, and here is the paper's money. And I will show you how many amount that I will put it here. Wait me, guys. That I counted amount is 59 pesos, and wait me there. I tried that. The amount is 59 pesos. So smelly. This, I erased this one, and this is getting erased. And then OMG saving. It's OMG, guys. It's not OW. And wait before later I'm gonna do my ASMR with stuff. I will show you if where I'm getting my stuff. Here, this is my key. 2 is here, and was 1 and 2 from my rubber band. And this is the real one. This is the one I'm gonna use how to pick my. This is my nail control. My nails. Sticker my. Here, what if what I'm putting. Okay, 10 seconds, and this is gonna end. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2 seconds.